Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Now it's a grammar time now. We'll be solving the worksheet on articles and pronouns. Okay, now once again articles, let me tell you a, and the. A and, that is a and, the, these words are called articles. They play a very important role in English language. The helping verb like is, are, was, were, they are 2-letter word, 3-letter words, but they play a very important role in English language. Okay, so first, now in this I'm just telling you that is helping verbs are very important, but in this class we are going to learn articles and pronouns. As I've already taught you the articles, I've taught you the pronouns. We are going to do the revision before we begin with the worksheet. Okay, children. So now, first let me tell you that once again that a, and the are articles. Okay. Now let us begin. Can you see the first one? Let me zoom it. Yes. Okay. Now a is used. 1 minute, children. Now look here. I had to remove my camera so that you will be able to read this. Now here we are talking about a. आपको मालूम है consonant क्या होता है? What are consonants? A to Z alphabetical letters, you know. From those letters, अगर आप A, E, I, O, U निकाल देंगे, all other letters are consonants. So A will go with the consonants. Okay. So you will write whenever the word begins with the consonant. Consonant means alphabet letters from A to Z. 24 letters are there. उसमें से आप A, E, I, O, U निकाल दो. Those are vowels. If you remove the vowels, whatever letters are left, they are called consonant. If a word begins with a consonant, तो अ लिखना है. For example, pen. P-E-N, pen. So P is a consonant. So before this, we will write a pen. Got it? Now we'll talk about an. You are learning since KG1, I know that. Now you know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. If a word begins with A, if a word begins with E, I, O and U, in front we write an. I know everybody knows this and we have revised this also. Okay? And we'll talk about the. The is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. जैसे कि now we'll talk about a boy or we'll talk about a boat. ठीक है, एक boat river में है. There is dash boat in the river. Now first time आया boat, so we'll write a boat. There is a boat in the river. Now again I want to write about the boat. Dash boat is very big. Then I'll write abhi a nahi. Now second time again I'm repeating the same word boat. Now I'll write the. First you have written a, now the. इसका मतलब ये है. This is what it is written over here. Let me take the pen. This is what is written over here. The article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. हमको मालूम है हम उसी की बात कर रहे हैं. For example, that is a stall. पहले देखो a stall आया. There is an umbrella on the stall. Again stall का repetition हो रहा है बेटा. Stall, stall. So one time, first time a, second time the. Because you're talking about the same noun. Okay. Now see, when I say a, when I say consonant, look here. Example of consonant. Okay. I told you na consonant. A cow, a bottle, a deer, a pearl. Okay. This is the example of a. These are the example of a and an. An, A-E-I-O-U. So an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Okay. Now the example. The bicycle. Now the also goes with the plurals also, children. So the bicycles, the erasers, the ostrich. Okay, now let us see. So remember the articles. Remember, a and an will always go with the singular noun. जब एक की बात होती है, when we talking about singular noun, a and an लगाना पड़ता है, and the word the plural goes with the plurals. The goes with the plurals. Done, beta? Now Now, we'll talk about the pronouns. Okay, what is a pronoun? He, she, it, they. है ना? I told you his, him, our, us. यहाँ नाम नहीं होता बेटा. There is no specific name here. Okay, he. Teacher, he is talking. Teacher, she is talking. Teacher, he is not giving me the pencil. You know, you speak such words, na? When you don't take the name of your friend, and instead of the name you say, teacher he is beating me, teacher she is troubling me, तो आपने she और he use किया, उसको बोलते हैं pronoun. Pronouns are the word which are used instead of the noun. Noun मतलब नाम की जगह पे जब आप he, she, it बोलते हो. It, when you will use it, when you're talking about a thing, है ना, when you're talking about an animal, then it use करते हैं बेटा. Okay, and when do we use the they word? When we are talking about more than one. We, जब आप बहुत सारे हो तब we. Are, again plural. So remember children, this especially this one, that the pronouns, yes, I, he, she, it goes with the singular. It is a singular, and we and they are plural. जब I की बात होती, I am a boy, I am a girl, you alone, you are talking about yourself, you are singular. Okay, he, she, it. Please remember that. Okay, children. Now these words are also pronoun, like me, him, her, it, us, you, them. They are all telling part यानी बताते हैं उनके बारे में. See, I told her, I gave my book to him. आप telling बता रहे हैं ना, आप बता रहे हो. It's a telling part, okay, of the sentence. ठीक है. Now you is used for both singular and plural. Suppose you're talking to your friend. Hey, see, I told you na to play with me, है ना. And suppose if 4 friends are standing in front of you, to them also you have to say 2 only. I told you, you did not listen to me. See, now this is what has happened. So for singular also you have to use you. For more than one person also you have to use you. Okay. And now here, me, him, her and it. These singular form these are. And us and them. Us means हम लोग. Them मैंने वो लोग. So it's a plural beta. Okay, these are all. What I am telling you is that we are talking about a pronoun. These words are called pronoun. Okay, now let's begin with the worksheet now. Okay. Now first one. Actually here you have to observe the picture very carefully. Here he is a boy. That is why he है यहाँ पे. Okay. Now he is throwing rubbish in the dustbin. वो कुछ तो भी फेंक रहा है. So you have to select the correct pronoun. He is throwing it. कि he is throwing them. What will it be? He is throwing it. Throwing it in the dustbin. This is the correct form of the pronoun we have to select. It. Them नहीं आएगा बेटा. It. Talking about thing. Okay. Here she is a girl. Okay. She is talking on the phone. So ये he है, हो ही नहीं सकती है ना. He. Because boy नहीं, there is no man, so no he. So she. On one है, so they will not come. No boy, so he will not come. They, more than one, they नहीं आएगा बेटा. So you have to select she. Here one boy is helping an old lady. So he is a boy. So he, there will be no she, and he is. It भी नहीं आएगा बेटा, because for boy के लिए we cannot use it. So no she, no it. Directly he is carrying her bag. उसका bag. That lady का bag. ठीक है. Next, now this big girl is looking at a smaller one and she is smiling, and the other one is smiling at her. Small girl is there. तो उसके लिए आप हर यूज़ करेंगे. देम नहीं आएगा, आई भी नहीं आएगा. देम मीन्स बहुत सारे. नो वन इज़ देयर, ओनली वन इज़ देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर, ओनली हर. So she is smiling at her. Is that clear? She is smiling at her. Now this is very easy. I told you what are pronouns. Some of the pronouns are he, she, it, they, we, and etc. So come on, let us start now. What is the question? Underline the pronoun in the passage given below. Come on, we'll read. One day, Perumal went to the town. Now there is no pronoun over here. He, now we are talking about Perumal. Now in place of Perumal, they have written he, so he is a pronoun. He wanted to sell mangoes. Okay. They were very good mangoes. Talking about mangoes. So they were very good mangoes. Again he gave the mangoes to an old woman. The old woman, in place of old woman, they have written she. She threw one mango away because it was bad. Then again she gave the money to Perumal, and he means who? Perumal went home and he was very happy. See, there is no name, only pronoun. He, she, it, they. Please remember, children. Okay, they are called as pronoun. You are so easy now. Just a and an and the lagana hai. Dash pig. P is a consonant. Okay. So we'll write a pig. Okay. Now here it is an ostrich. What is the word? Ostrich. What is the word? Ostrich beginning with O vowel. An ostrich. Okay. Here frog. F consonant hai beta. So a frog. Here it is octopus. O vowel. Okay. And octopus. Here eagle. E is a vowel. And eagle. Here it is dog. D consonant. A dog. Now again A and the lagana beta. Okay. Let us begin. This is dash boat. I told you na. First time dekha to a boat. The children are sailing in dash boat. Again a. Second time the boat. देखो दो बार. Second time. The man is rowing again. फिर से boat. Again the boat. The man is rowing the boat. Rowing the boat का मतलब चला रहा है. He is wearing dash orange shirt. O is a vowel. A and an. है ना? Okay, beta. I hope you must have understood this. This was the last question. So thank you. God bless you, children.